7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Video we're going to be covering wireframing. In the last video we covered going to landing folio, going to ClickFunnels, and pulling out the various components of landing pages that we liked and that we wanted to incorporate into our own. So I'll typically jot it down on paper and then transfer it to a whiteboard to make sure that I really like it before moving on to the prototyping stage. As you can see, I already have a landing page on here, so I do this pretty regularly, and it's very important to make sure that everything will fit in the way that you want it to and that it'll look good. So as mentioned in the previous video, we'll start with the navigation. Here I have a placeholder for our logo and the CTA in the top right. The next components that we took were that video that we liked from ClickFunnels, and then we had the heading, subhead, bullet points, and CTA from the other landing page layout. I'll also roughly put in the background imagery that I liked, and that should be roughly the header layout that we wanted. The next piece that we took from ClickFunnels was the social proof component. We're going to expand that out to be full width, and we're not actually putting the copy in right now, we're just laying out the various components. So I'll put in the numbers in the way that they would be shown, and that'll be our section for social proof. The bottom of the page will then have another header and a subhead explanation, and we liked that rotating imagery and an explanation. So you'll have an image here, and I run out of space, but I'll probably have two more, and you'll have a headline and supporting copy for each one of these various blocks. Now that I like the way that my wireframe looks, I'm going to start working out the copy, and I'm going to start actually putting in the design elements in a prototype that we'll design in Sketch or Photoshop or a similar software. I'll show you a list of the various ones you can use, and then we'll get creating a prototype, and then from there we'll actually build the landing page that we ultimately design. Stay tuned.
You crazy mother.